So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to swap Bitcoin for Ethereum here on the MetaMask application. So once you guys are on MetaMask, just go to the main screen here, go to the bottom, press on trade, and then where it says swap, exchange between tokens, select that. Now once you're here, you want to go ahead and select Bitcoin. So if you were to go ahead and go to BTC right here, you can select Bitcoin, make sure the bottom one is Ethereum. And on the left hand side, you can basically choose how much you want to swap. So for example, if you wanted to swap 1 Bitcoin, it'll show you the price. And if you wanted to swap that for Ethereum, it'll show you how much Ethereum that's good for. And if you go to where it says insufficient funds for me, you can go ahead and press that and actually swap the two and make the exchange for each other. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to swap Bitcoin for Ethereum on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.